What's up mga lods, this is Master Renz and welcome back to my channel. So sa video ito, reaction video naman tayo sa horror. Hanap lang tayo ng mga clip pagsasama-samahin natin sa isang video. So start tayo dito kay Sir Creeps, ang pamagatay. Kapre sa makiling, nagpahamdam sa isang grupo. Multo sa banyo, nagpakita. So grabe to So make sure subscribe nyo to Sir Creeps. So wag na natin patagalin to. Let's go. So hanapin natin yung kapre. Panoorin natin. Let's go, go.
Ang content creator na si Herbie Yomori na may-ari ng YouTube channel na Galaero TV, kasama ang kanyang team, ay nagtungo sa bundok Makiling para subukang mag-overnight camping sa Botanic Garden. Pero dahil hindi pala pwedeng mag-overnight dito, ay nagpaalam na lang sila sa mga lokal na payagan silang mag-overnight sa ibang lugar na malapit dito. At matapos nga nilang makahanap ng pwesto, at sumapit na ang gabi, ay dito na nagsimula ang mga kakaibang pangyayari.
Legit yun, lahat kami nakarinig.
Nakarinig sila ng boses. Galaero TV.
Oo, sakaling man na-insulto.
Viral to eh.
Ano yan? Nakakaanimi na.
Pero mag-ilaw to eh.
Tingin ka sa paligid Salita kasi ulit eh. Gagawin namin.
Ayun talaga.
Kung saan...
Chat na yun eh.
Kasi yun naman sinabi namin pag may nagsalita po.
Kasi yun na yung parang cue namin na pag may nagsalita ulit, narinig kami nagsalita. Bababa na kami.
Yung dilim ng lugar na pinuntahan nila.
Ang gagawin doon na lang kami mag-chill sa tabi ng sasakyan. Magsiset up kami doon ng lamesa. Tapos doon na sila magiinom. No choice na kami, hindi na kami makakauwi dahil yung gate dito sinasarado. So yun, magpapack up lang kami saglit tapos baba tayo.
Pakinggan mabuti. Umuungol. Pag mga ungol, nakakatakot yan.
Itong tao ba yun? Pre, iba na yun. Tara na. Tao ba yun? Gagawin.
Matapos
Backup na
nilang
sila
kumain ay nagumpisa na silang makarinig ng di umano'y mga boses na nagmumula sa malapit. Gayong wala naman di umanong kabahayan na malapit sa kanilang kinaroroonan na posibleng pagmulan ng boses na ito. At
Kung nga kapag nga ganun, imposible nga na wala silang mga kabahayan. Baka, hindi naman po, imposible namang aso kung ungol ng aso yun. Iba yung ungol.
nang muli nga nila itong marinig, ay dito na sila nagdesisyon na bumaba at magtungo sa bahay ng isa sa mga lokal na nagbigay ng permiso sa kanila.
Uy, madudulas
Pero
pa.
habang sila nga ay narito, ay merong nangyari na talaga namang mas nakapangingilabot.
Hindi ko sa doon pero parang kakain ko na doon. Parang ano?
Parang tayo? Parang...
May bahay ba doon tayo? Ha? May bahay doon? Wala. Kaya yun.
Wala daw bahay doon, sabi ni tatay. Yung manig sa paligid nila, ha?
Kaya hindi siya may taas tayo.
Lo?
Kaya hindi siya may taas tayo. Hindi kayo Hindi kami
Nasundan sila.
Hindi, meron talaga pre.
Meron talaga.
Grabe.
May nagpaparamdam talaga doon tayo. Sinundan kayo. Tensya! Wala po
Ay, si tatay.
Wala naman itong balak na masama. Sundan kayo Sundan tayo. Sundan kayo Ito lang yung bahay ni tatay yung ano niyo. Oo.
Mukhang kilala ni tatay,
Sundan ko
Ito ang marulo. Itong tulo din.
Pasensya na ako. Pasensya.
Pag mga ganyan, yung sa mga matatanda, alam ko, pag may nakakausap sila, yung pasensya na po, yung nakakausap nila yung elemento, sila yung mas nakakaalam eh. Kung sila yung parang kumbaga, sila yung parang mag-remind doon na walang masamang gagawin yung mga bisita.
Pasensya na po.
Habang sila ay nag-uusap ay bigla na lang nayanig ang kanilang paligid na mapapansing nagpagalaw din sa galon ng tubig na ito. At maging ang kausap nilang lokal
Saka kung may, sabihin natin kung may nagpagalo, baka may hangin na. Imposible pang, ewan ko kung hangin naman, pwede. Pero kung may hayop naman doon, walang hayop makikita kagad kung may hayop na nandun. O kung may pusa or daga.
ay kinilabutan sa nangyaring ito.
Hindi pa ba ano? Hindi pa ba na ganun? Ito.
Gago, hindi ako nakahawak.
Lahat tayo nakaramdam eh.
Hindi ako nakahawak. Alugong lupa. Alugong lupa.
Tsaka pati dito.
Hindi ako nakahawak dito.
Ang tigas-tigas
Ano yun, mama yun? Hindi pati lupa no?
Parang sa atin ng parte.
Tayo, tingnan mo tayo. Alugong to. Wala po. Wala nga, wala. Iba, hindi nyo talaga kayang ugain to.
Diba? Sabi sa atin nga nakaramdam.
Makaramdam saman ko eh.
Ayun nga,
Base sa mga pahayag nito ay naniniwala siya na posibleng nasundan di umano ang grupo ng isang kapre.
May
Oo,
posibilidad
kapre.
ba na multo, aswang, o ano yung elemento o yung na-encounter namin?
Ang na-encounter nyo, baka yung yung kapre dito.
Opo.
Kung gusto niyong mapanood ang kabuuan ng bidyong ito at ang iba pa nilang mga videos, maaari kayong bumisita at mag-subscribe sa
Ito follow nyo, subscribe, Galaero TV. Grabe. Sabi ko dun, mukhang iihap Base sa expression ni tatay, mukhang totoo, legit yung pangyayari dun sa kanila. Next naman tayo. Hanap tayo kay Nooks.
Next stop, nowhere.
Ito kay
A
Nooks.
property manager of a high-rise building in China steps into the elevator for what should have been a routine ride. But out of nowhere, things take a terrifying turn.
Boom! Uy! Wala gahagi. Teka, hindi pala ako naka-full screen. Sa pa nga.
A high-rise building in China steps into the elevator for what should have been a routine ride. But out of nowhere, things take a terrifying turn.
Boom! Wala. Delikado to
The elevator suddenly lets out a loud metallic bang and then slams to a violent emergency stop. The property manager is a bit shaken, but luckily he's unharmed. However, there was something more going on here. Did you see it?
Hindi.
In the reflection of the elevator doors, something strange appears,
Wala.
like a pale hand or maybe a long white finger reaching towards the man's shoulder. Others say it looks more like a ghostly mist creeping through the small gap in the elevator doors. But either way, let me know what you think. Next.
Delikado yun Sa elevator. Delikado. Muntika na yung Chinese dun
Next up, three friends are on a summer trip to Spain, staying in a large high-rise hotel. One night they hop on the elevator to head down to the lobby, but that's when things start to go very wrong.
Yo, so this elevator is acting mad weird. We started a few floors up, and
Boom! Boom! Wala. Kakatakot talaga pag mga elevator lalo na kung mag-isa ka.
Fast forward to 45 minutes later, and the guys are still stuck in the elevator as the lights flicker and the temperature begins to rise from the summer heat.
alright, so the power is out. The backup, yeah, there you go. The backup generator has been coming on and off. We've been having the time of our lives, and yeah, we're like cooking alive.
Now, luckily, the hotel does have a backup generator, but unluckily, the generator seems to be malfunctioning. And here is where things start to get a bit weird. Because for some unknown reason, the elevator takes them to the hotel's 16th floor, which is currently abandoned and under construction.
Oh, no, look, it worked.
Ha?
Okay, so it's been doing this for a minute,
Hindi sila umaalis dyan.
and there's nothing out there. Alright, no, that did something.
Gagi, katakot yung ganyan, no? Sa dilim.
What is going on?
Are we too heavy? Is there someone there? What?
The doors shut again, trapping them inside. But a little bit later, and finally there's a silver lining, as the elevator power seems to come back on.
We're moving.
Fine. Thank you.
Where are we
Oh,
going?
wait. Stop. No.
That's the same one.
Nako, yun dun pa din, ah.
Alright.
The power comes back on and the elevator starts to move, but inexplicably it somehow just ends up back on the creepy abandoned 16th floor. At this point, the friends debate just stepping out and trying to find the stairs. But with the floor completely blacked
Yeah.
out and under
Ihap makahanap ng stairs dun, ang dilim-dilim. Tapos lalo na kung wala kang flashlight.
construction, they decide it's safer to just stay put. And now, over an hour has passed, and the guys are starting to get a bit stir-crazy in the hot, cramped elevator.
Oh.
Boring nga naman dyan.
Yep. Yep.
I gotta pee. Oh, you gotta pee. It's making my bladder. I gotta pee.
You gotta pee.
I feel like a rapper.
Nagkantahan na lang sila eh.
I gotta pee. I'm holding my bladder.
Yep.
I gotta pee. I don't know what else is going on. I gotta pee. It's
Uy.
making me mad. Going like so. I gotta pee. I'm angry like Bowser.
Guys, this is probably
Baka may ano sa likod ng lalaki doon sa isa.
Now, shortly after this clip, power was fully restored and the guys finally made it down to the hotel lobby. They upload videos of their harrowing adventure on the elevator, but their viewers spot something truly chilling. Again, did you see it?
Ano yun?
As the
No?
guys are goofing around while stuck on the creepy 16th floor, something black seems to appear behind them and rise up from the floor. So just why did the elevator keep dragging them back to that closed-off 16th floor? And why was it shut down in
May carpet bang ano? Yung mga elevator. Parang wala naman, di ba? Ano kaya yun?
the first place? But most importantly, what is this? Let me know what you think.
Oo. Hanap naman tayo. Di ko lang kung real or fake yun eh. Comment nyo na lang dyan. Hanap tayo kay... sa iba.
This creepy lullaby plays every night.
Ito naman kay Depths of Despair.
This creepy lullaby plays every night at exactly
May
3
nakakatakot
a.m.
yung boses eh.
On June the 1st of 2026, a woman living alone is fast asleep in her bedroom when all of a sudden she's woken up at exactly 3 a.m. by a creepy lullaby playing from an old radio. And it's been happening since the beginning of May, but on this occasion something even more deeply unsettling happens. Watch closely.
Uy! Ano yan? Manika? Ngumingiti? Anong manika yan? Oh! Ito kaya... Kung hindi ko na kung skit lang to. Kung skit lang to, ang galing ah. Umiiyak si ate mo. Hindi makakatulog. Oh, titignan pa. Patay ka. Kaya to, patayin mo. Ayaw. Pumatay ka na, sabi. Hindi ako makatulog. Ipasok pa ako bukas. Puyat si ate mo. Bibili-bili ka niyan, tapos hindi mo alam kung sang galing. Hindi mo na alam kung saan papatayin. Kasi iyak-iyak ka ngayon. Sayang nga naman pera mo. Kung pagkain na lang binili mo, busog ka pa. Patayin na. Ayan na. Tapo muna. Diyan mo tinapon, di sa labas. Na-stress siya eh. Tapos tutulog uli, ano?
She mentions that night she heard a knock under her bed, but when she looked, she didn't find anything there. But that is what prompted her to review the footage in the first place, leaving her horrified to see a figure under her bed. Unbeknownst to her at the time, a creepy pale figure slid out from underneath her bed, before slowly rotating and sliding back under as she sits up on her bed. Now the reason she didn't just throw the old radio away this whole time is because it actually belonged to her grandmother and was her favorite antique radio, and she passed away not too long ago, so the woman kept the radio to remember her grandmother. At first she thought the lullaby was her grandmother comforting her from beyond, but she had never played this lullaby before, and no matter what she did, the radio wouldn't stop playing it until the lullaby was over, even though it was turned off. She could only cry every night as it happened. This all started after she bought a vintage porcelain doll from a street market in Indonesia. She has no idea what it is, but one thing we can be sure of is that this is not her grandmother.
Masabi ko dun, mga binibili-bili yung mga sa palengke, alamin nyo kung saan galing. Actually, iniisip ko kung sabi ko kanina, skit lang yun, ang galing. Lalo na yung manika na yung lumabas, sumumiti. Diba? Ang creepy. Yung biglang ngumiti, yung ngiti talaga yung nangiinis pa. Diba? So, yun lang reaction tayo sa ilang video. Sa ilang creepy video. So, subscribe nyo sila. Depths of Despair, Nook's Top 5. Saka si Sir Crips. So, yan. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. And mag-iingat po kayo palagi.